Telegram account delete. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Telegram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you would like to delete your Telegram account, all you have to do is open up the Telegram application, then make sure to tap on the three lines option from the top left, and then just go to this option here known as settings. Once you go to settings over here, what you want to do is simply scroll down to the Telegram FAQ and then tap on FAQ section. Then scroll down to the bottom again, and then you'll find an option that says your account. From here, what you have to do is just go to this option here that says delete your Telegram account. Then you'll find this type of pop-up in the question mark that says how do I delete my account, and if you look closer, you'll find a little deactivation page option. So just tap on the deactivation page button here, and as you have done that, you'll be taken to the page where you have to first of all enter your phone number, but remember to enter it in an international format. So if my country code is +977, first I'll enter my country code, then after that I'll proceed to enter my phone number here. So you can see it says enter in an international format. Once done, verify your account and your Telegram account will get successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete Telegram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.